Chris from Acoustic Design. I'm here with Josh from Ice Cables. We get a lot of questions from people about the type of wire and cabling that we use. And people have asked us before if we use Primal instead of Ice when it's a lower dollar value install.
Yep.
Can you help me explain what the difference is between the Primal and the Ice specific cable?
It's a great question. So I think the most important thing to understand is everything that we do on the cable side is at the highest level of quality. The reason why we have two essential models, right, particularly with category cable and speaker cable, is all based on certifications, right? So with ICE, for instance, you're going to have all the certifications included, which will cover you into commercial application and high-end residential. With Primal, we actually take back some of those certifications that will save you on cost. So for example, if you guys are doing a normal single-family house, right,
we do a lot of those.
Standard two-story, right, track home style, this is going to give you all of the traditional UL listed certifications, regular CM rated, and that's going to be all you need for a single family home. When you go to the ICE, you're going to get all of that, but then you're going to get FT4, you're going to get riser certification, and you're going to get a bunch of other stuff that would be required if you guys were to, say, be doing a condominium building, right? That's going to be the biggest difference on why the price would be different. And then the only last thing is you'll notice the boxes are a little bit different. So at ICE, our biggest value proposition is that we build the best boxes in the industry. They don't break apart, right? Literally, the best demo is just standing on it, right? The box, in many ways, from most of the competitors in the market, this is underestimated because they're just trying to build the cheapest box. But that's a problem for your field crew because by the time they start a pre-wire, they're 40% through pulling the cable, the box is disintegrated.
And real quick, if I can speak to that, we have always, and I think all integrators have this boneyard in their warehouse where there are broken boxes. The entire spool of wire is just laying outside of the box. And no technician wants to deal with that. So they just bring it back to the office, throw it in the corner of the warehouse, and then grab a brand new box. So it's just tons of footage of wire wasted all the time.
100%. And so that's the only other difference is that when you buy a Primal cable from ICE, you'll notice the box is not quite as reinforced. It's only a dual layer of cardboard versus triple layer. However, it is still strong, right? However, it's not going to be as strong as if it goes through significant abuse like this.
Of course.
But those are the ways that we can get creative to literally save you on average about 10% just in the packaging.
Are all SKUs of cable that you guys sell, whether it be speaker cable or category cable, are they all available in both Primal and the full ICE brand?
Another great question. The only two categories of product that we offer in a Primal version is Cat 5 and Cat 6. And 14 gauge and 16 gauge speaker cable. And that's primarily
the biggest SKUs.
The biggest, highest volume, correct.
Gotcha.
Everything else, especially with specialty, shielded Cat 6A, direct burial, all of that, no messing around. It's going to be the full ICE experience.
Look at this. Not just a pretty face. This guy knows what he's talking about.